Euro USD, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, in my last video, the price was here. We mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buy because we mentioned we're looking for buy. The only way was to trade based on this one. Then the best things was to trade based on flag because we get the sharp move and correction. All right. Anyone get this trade? Trade from here. All right. The only way was to have entry above this, and now they get this the move. Okay. If anyone is still they keep the trade, I think it's either they take out the trade or they start to manage. Okay, and now we're looking at this one. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. If we move to daily chart, we want to see whether there is a continuation or not. Okay, because as we can see, the price broke this the line we had it, but this line is indicative. We don't need to trade following the lines we have here. Okay, anyway, we want to see whether we can get the continuation or not. Okay, and the only thing is, can this one turn to correction for one more drop? The only reason I mentioned this one is if we're looking for trade for buy, as long as the price haven't broke the previous stop, we have to have a proper management, and we should look for the trade with a sharp move, not the corrective move. Because if we refer to forward chart, we can see the price is moving up, and every time the price broke the previous stop, we see it start to correct. All right, that means we could trade based on this the correction as a short-term trade. But if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. This is the reasons why I mentioned based on daily chart, may either we get a deeper correction or reversal. That's why any trade we should consider as a short term. Even if we're looking for buy any trade from here, we should consider as a short term, because mostly with the breakout of the top, we can expect to it start to correct similar to any of this. Okay, and if I move to 1 hour chart, the first things, anyone get a trade from here, since we have been looking for trade, they should start to manage. And right now still we can look for buy, but any buy from now will be short term. And based on the 1 hour chart, make this show us the divergence, but the another one doesn't show. That means still we can expect to get a trade. That means still we can price move a bit higher, similar to I mean we can look for a trade similar to any of this. But any trade from now we will consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up, and right now we're looking at this correction. In this case, we prefer this one turn to a big deeper correction before we take the trade. But any trade for buy, we consider we'll take it and we consider as a short term. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.